Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to change your username on Notion. In order to change your username on Notion, you need to follow these steps. So, what here you need to do is you simply want to open up your Notion application and log in. After which, you then need to go ahead and open up your home page. Click on the profile initials from the top left corner of your screen. Alright, then you want to click on the three dot icon right next to your username, and you could see whether there is any option that can help you out change your name. If you cannot find it here, you want to tap on the three dot icon and go to the settings section. After you go to the settings section, you can go ahead and click, or you could just go ahead and look for my account section. If you cannot find your my account section, you could just simply go ahead and look for my account section. After which, you just need to go ahead and click on settings and members on the left hand side bar or on the right hand side bar, and go to my account from the option in the menu that appears. And the preferred name field, you could just go ahead and type in your desired name into it, and then you could go and click on update to save your changes. And that's how you could change your name or username on Notion. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.